I ask for one and I get two. Miss Brissett, is that your shield you're wearing?
Well, it looks like it. Whisper, look, boy, this look like.
Yeah, it look like me.
If I were you, I'd be quiet. I don't even know what kind of balls you have to be even here this morning when you're not even a legitimate part of this agency.
Whoa, Martin, big words. Legitimate.
Well, since I have both of you here, one suspected murderer and one suspected kidnapper, let's start with you. Miss Brissett, I have very good and reliable reasons to believe that you are an accomplice in this kidnapping. And if you are, then this is a part of an even bigger ring. Now, what do you have to say about that, Miss Brissett?
Mr. Majors, as far as I am concerned, everything that you have on me is fabricated. So, do your best.
Well, I had a conversation with a Raymond Savage earlier today, and he has assured me that he can provide some very strong evidence linking you to this kidnapping.
Wow. Nice.
You see, as for you, whatever dealings or business you have with this agency, that ends today. I don't ever want to see you again. I don't want you to walk near any agency, building, vehicle, anything. If I do, I guarantee you that you are going to rot in prison.
Why Whisper? The soul network a big for mercy.
So you want me start and you start?
We could ring together.
Alright, just one thing before we start. I'm gonna invite one more person to the meeting. Alright, just one more person.
Who the hell else are you inviting? How can you even invite anybody to my meeting? Lazarus, you've risen from the dead. The board of directors will be very happy.
Well, I just had a meeting with them. They did demonstrate their glee.
They were delighted to see you go, I'm sure.
That wasn't quite the conversation. But what they asked me to do, however, was ask you if you could use your analytical mind and knowledge of the ground to tell me who that.
What is this supposed to be?
We have no idea. So we brought it to the one person I thought could assist us. I asked Miss Bubbles to see if they could help me identify the agent in that set of pictures with what seems to be an obviously underage prostitute. Actually, there's another envelope. Same contents, but it is on standby to be delivered to your residence. Maybe someone there can help us identify the person we're looking for.
I think his wife would have a better eye.
I think maybe it's two daughters. The fact that they're younger.
One of them is almost that age.
So this is how it goes.
I am trying to find out who could be guilty of statutory rape, which is one of the remit of this agency. And I am asking you, seeing as how you seem to have taken control, how can you help us in the furtherance of this investigation?
So, what am I supposed to do now?
Well, the first thing you can do is come out of my chair.
Think I'll put these up first.
I think you should.